If you want awesome products at great prices, check out the in the description. The Kafkaesque nightmare of Mohsen Mahdawi, a Palestinian student's fight for freedom in America. The chilling tale of Mohsen Mahdawi, a Palestinian green card holder and Columbia University student, unfolds like a disturbing modern-day parable. His arrest on April 14, 2023, by U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE, agents in Vermont, during a routine naturalization interview, throws into stark relief the chilling implications of political persecution masquerading as immigration enforcement under the Trump administration. This isn't simply a bureaucratic snafu. It's a calculated attack on freedom of speech, a blatant attempt to silence a vocal advocate for Palestinian rights. Mahdawi's arrest wasn't a random event, it was a targeted operation. His prominent role in pro-Palestinian protests at Columbia University last spring marked him as a target. The Trump administration, in its relentless crackdown on dissent, sought to deport him, citing the ludicrous claim that his presence in the U.S. potentially undermines the Middle East peace process. This flimsy pretext is a transparent attempt to justify a politically motivated deportation, chillingly reminiscent of tactics employed against political dissidents in less democratic regimes. The speed and decisiveness of Mahdawi's apprehension paint a picture of premeditation. According to court filings by Mahdawi's legal team, obtained by Zetio, ICE agents swiftly transported him to a waiting car, initiating a clear plan to ship him to Louisiana, a jurisdiction known for its more conservative judges. This strategic relocation, mirroring the treatment of other Palestinian activists like Mahmoud Khalil, Rumasa Öztürk, and Badr Khan Suri, now detained in Texas, reveals a disturbing pattern of targeted deportation to jurisdictions less likely to grant bail or challenge the administration's actions. The choice of Louisiana and Texas isn't accidental. It's a deliberate tactic to circumvent potential legal challenges in more liberal jurisdictions. The legal battle to secure Mahdawi's release has been fraught with tension and underscores the gravity of the situation. A temporary restraining order, initially granted by a judge, was extended by Judge Jeffrey W. Crawford on Wednesday, delaying a decision on Mahdawi's request for bail until next week. This temporary reprieve, however, offers little solace, given the administration's relentless pursuit of his deportation. The ongoing legal proceedings highlight the lengths to which the administration is willing to go to silence dissent and suppress pro-Palestinian voices within the United States. Mahdawi's legal team has vehemently argued against his detention, emphasizing that he poses no flight risk or danger to the community. Attorney Luna Draubai, in a statement condemning Mahdawi's detention, unequivocally stated that the Trump administration acted in direct retaliation for his activism and his Palestinian identity. The detention, she argued, is an unconstitutional attempt to silence those who dare to speak out against injustices in Gaza. This isn't merely a legal battle. It's a fight for the fundamental right to free speech, a cornerstone of American democracy that the Trump administration is systematically undermining. The implications of Mahdawi's case extend far beyond his individual circumstances. It serves as a stark warning to all those who dare to challenge the administration's policies, particularly those who advocate for Palestinian rights. It represents a chilling escalation of political repression, where the mere expression of political views can lead to arrest, detention, and deportation. The arbitrary targeting of Palestinian activists, the strategic relocation to conservative jurisdictions, and the flimsy pretexts used to justify these actions paint a deeply troubling picture of the state of civil liberties under the Trump administration. Mahdawi's fight is not just his own. It's a fight for the preservation of fundamental freedoms for all. His case demands our attention and unwavering support, as his fate serves as a potent symbol of the fragility of freedom of speech in the face of political repression. The international community must hold the U.S. accountable for its actions and ensure that Mahdawi receives a fair trial, free from political interference. His story serves as a stark reminder of the lengths to which those in power will go to silence dissenting voices. The fight for Mahdawi's freedom is a fight for all who value liberty and justice. His case must not be allowed to fade into obscurity, It must serve as a rallying cry for those who believe in the principles of freedom of expression and the rule of law.